Good morning guys, Saturday morning here, and got the KLR 650 just finishing gearing up now. It's early in the morning. Dad and I are going for a run. Pretty excited, this is the first big run this year, so should be a lot of fun. It rained all night, but it's pretty clear this morning, although there's a lot of big dark clouds and stuff, so we'll see. If it doesn't rain, it'll be good, because the rain from last night will keep all the dust down and it'll be great, but don't want to get rain down really today. So the first leg of the trip involved me leaving my home and driving to the next town, which is about 10 to 12 minutes away, to pick up my dad. That's where we were leaving from, that town, and we were picking up the trails from up there. You can see here that everything's still wet. It's really dark, gloomy Saturday morning, but we're going to give it a try anyways. So I'm just entering my dad's town here now. This is actually the town where I grew up. You can see how beautiful it is. Look at the ridge there on the other side of the harbour. It's just gorgeous. So you're looking from my dad's perspective right now. That's on his Yamaha XT250. So we've been riding about 10 minutes at this point, and we reach what's really the only real challenge of the trip, and that is you need to get from the complete valley, which is sea level, to the top of the ridge, and you only have about 900 meters of trail to do that, and you're raising about 300 meters above sea level. So you're going up 1,000 feet in just a matter of minutes. So even though videos, it's very difficult to see kind of the angle of the gradient, but this is actually a pretty steep hill we're traveling up here, and it's a lot of rocks and ditches, and so it's a little bit of a challenge. A couple times, I believe, right about here or up here just a little bit, I almost lost it once, but we made it. You can see the bike's bouncing around here a bit. But it's just good fun. We enjoy a good challenge, and it'd be boring if it was just all good roads. And once we're at the top of this hill, that's pretty much it for the day. We're just riding around on top of the ridge at this point. It's getting pretty tough right here now. Just stopping here for a short break. This is the trail we came in back here. These are like mostly skidoo trails, snowmobile trails for in the winter, and they're groomed and whatnot, but they make pretty good bike trails too, especially if you're doing. So before the wind completely ruined my audio, I'm just telling you right here that this is a warm-up shelter. These are built alongside of skidoo trails here, so in the winter snowmobilers can stop. The door is just unlocked. It's just free to use. You light the fire, put a junk in when you leave for the next person, so just a place to kind of just stop and have a lunch or get a warm. You go ahead. Settle down away. So it's just shortly after 9 a.m. now, and we're both getting pretty hungry. Neither of us had breakfast. We came with the intentions of having breakfast on the trail, so that's about what we're going to do right now. No? Oh yeah, those are perfect. Yeah.
It's like a bit of a baby in my hand.
No. Just here now, making breakfast. Check out this nice little bridge here. Although the bridge has really gone downhill, but flat for that little stove. Is it? Enough? More. It's gonna be some strong tea. You are about to witness something that was completely unexpected, but made for probably the best memory of the day.
Your camera got it, boy. Your camera got it. You look at me. You look at me. Well, stop. Look at your camera. You should see your ears. Don't get out of your way. Let that dry.
Oh my goodness.
You buried me with it. You buried me. Look all back on me, Kip. So I better let that dry.
So there it is. I'm sure no one else laughed as much as I did, but I just thought it was so funny that he was so covered in mud. What a mess. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you did, please subscribe to the channel. Hit that like button, please. It really helps out. Leave me a comment. Let me know if you'd like to see more of this type of video. I know not everyone rides bikes, but something I enjoy, especially now with my dad. We've been riding. It's just, it's always a great time. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.
Isn't it? You want to shut off that GoPro now?